Glam Kitchen gang and new viewers. This is Shantae with the Glam Kitchen, and today we're gonna make lemon pepper chicken thighs. If you're new here, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button to join me as I help you make top tier recipes at home. All ingredients and measurements are available at the full recipe link in the description box. Now let's get into this recipe because y'all know it's about to go down. Starting out with chicken thighs that were already washed and cleaned, and I'm going in with adobo first. My lemon pepper seasoning, garlic powder, paprika, a tablespoon of olive oil, the juice of half of a lemon. Now, real lemon juice is going to taste better, but if all you have is the alternative, you can use that. Now we want to give this a good mix. You want to make sure all of your chicken pieces are fully coated with the seasoning. You want to be thorough with this because, again, you want the seasoning to be evenly distributed on the chicken. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Then you want to add your chicken thighs to a deep baking dish. I'm pouring about a half a cup of low sodium chicken broth around the chicken. This is going in the oven now, and we're gonna bake it for about 1 hour and 20 minutes. A secret to juicy chicken is basting your chicken. So what you're gonna do is every 15 to 20 minutes, you're gonna spoon the pan juices over the chicken. This is gonna make sure that your chicken is nice and juicy. I'm basting it again here, and look at that pretty color on this chicken. After your 1 hour and 20 minutes is up, you want to take it out of the oven and baste it one final time. Take the other half of that lemon and squeeze the juices over the chicken. This is gonna be full of so much flavor, y'all. And now we're gonna garnish this with parsley. You know we gotta make it pretty. Now warning, once you make this, because it's so bomb, everybody's gonna want you to make this chicken. So I'm just warning you, be careful. I added some lemon slices for a little razzle dazzle, and there we have it, Glam Kitchen lemon pepper chicken thighs. I served this with mashed potatoes and broccoli. Feel free to freestyle, but honestly, these sides complement it perfectly. Thank you so much for watching, and please make sure you like this video if you enjoyed it. If you're going to make this recipe, let me know in the comments. And if you have made this recipe, also let me know how it came out for you. Follow the Glam Kitchen on Instagram and check out the full recipe at the link in the description box. Until next time, bye-bye.